How's it going, everyone? 3 winning trades to start the week. 1 on futures, 2 on options, trading SPY. 2 was called out live inside Team Bull. Beautiful start to the week. Before I get started with this recap, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this futures trade that I took pre-market. First off, I was watching the trend line on the hourly on ES and a trend line on the hourly on SPY. We came back up, retested it here. I said, okay, I'm liking this price action. I'm not seeing a huge increase in buying volume here. I'm going to try this reject. I went short right at this 3952 area. My stop loss was above 3954.5 or 3955 area. Final price target was at 3940.5. Okay, just to give you my thought process there. Come up, hit it. This is just one of them trades where it did exactly what I wanted it to do. I made $900 off this reject. I went short, caught the move down, worked out perfectly. I want to show you something on the 1 minute chart as well. I don't really watch it too much, but I do go back and look at my trades on different time frames. This makes me like this trade even more, the way we look here. Just wanted to point that out to you all. Second trade I took today was on SPY. I was trading options. This wasn't really on my watch list. I seen this setting up right after market open. I took some calls on this candle here, and I caught this quick scalp up here. Anytime I take a trade like this one, it's always a scalp for me. Honestly, my final price target was here at high of day. Come up, hit it perfectly. I had runners left. It come back down, hit my what it cost me to enter the trade per contract, and I stopped out at break even on my runners. It was a beautiful trade, really. I called this out live inside Team Bull. Took the quick move. Now going back to this trade, I wish I had waited to this pullback here. Took my entry here. My stop loss would have been below this prior day close. That 389.99 is prior day close. It shows me what SPY closed at the day before. Could have kept my stop loss there, and I could have played this up to my reject level here of 393. Just a thought. I'm honestly, the contracts moved like 25-30% off this trade. I'm not for sure the exact percentage, but that's a really good return, especially for a scalp. Now the second trade I took was right here. I started my position early for this 393 reject area for puts. This was in my watch list. I gave everyone this exact level pre-market on my Instagram live. I go live on Instagram every single morning. Try to trade futures, create a day trading watch list, come hang out. Starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time. We took this move, played it all the way back down to a break below 391. Contracts moved really well. We literally entered at 392.6 for puts and took this move here. Very nice trade. Yes, I did enter a little early. I just seen momentum slowing. Another member inside Team Bull had already entered puts at this point. I said, okay. I want a little more. I'm going to start my position. I say start. I was basically full side here. And it just worked out perfectly. Another beautiful trade. For those of you that aren't familiar with options, you're probably saying, "Wow, that's only a $1-2 move down." In the options trading world, that's a decent return. If you have a good delta, 30, 40 something dollars per contract, and that's a really nice return. Contracts, if you're trading same day expiration, they cost around 100-ish, depending, how high the IV is. Very small account friendly, much more cost efficient than trading shares. 3 trades is what I took today, a little more than average, I would say, for me, but it worked out. A beautiful start to the week. And I'm going to start tracking my percentage win rate because I'm starting to get interested in it. I've had all these members send me what my win rate is. One member said he trades with me all the time, 90%. I've had people send me 85. One member even sent like 76. But I'm not for sure. So it's between 76 to 90%. I'm going to start tracking my trades. I'll let you all know how that goes. And I also want to point out before we go, this 393, I want you all to go to the hourly time frame and just tell me what you see there. Why did I choose that level? Okay? I want to make this, more hands-on if I can. So just post in the comments what you see there, why I like that area/level. That's all I have. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.